The right carry-on luggage isn't some frivolous add-on. It's a travel warrior's secret weapon. It's the difference between breezing through airport security with a confident stride and wrestling with an overstuffed bag that throws your whole trip into disarray. Now, buckle up because we're diving into the top 6 carry-on luggages of this year, dissecting their features and helping you find the perfect travel companion. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for updated pricing. So let's get started. Number 6. Delsey Paris Hardside. Delsey Paris injects a touch of Parisian flair into the world of carry-on luggage with their Hardside expandable option. This suitcase boasts a sleek, sophisticated design that makes a statement wherever you roam. The polycarbonate shell is lightweight yet remarkably sturdy, offering superior protection for your belongings while keeping the overall weight manageable. The expandable compartment provides additional packing flexibility, accommodating souvenirs or unexpected outfit changes. The packing experience with the Delsey Paris carry-on is designed with ease in mind. The spacious interior compartments ensure you can comfortably fit everything you need for your trip. A handy divider with zippered pockets keeps smaller essentials like toiletries or travel documents organized and easily accessible. The built-in compression straps help you maximize space and keep your belongings neatly tucked in, even if you tend to overpack. Maneuvering through airports is a breeze with the Delsey Paris carry-on's spinner wheels. They offer smooth multi-directional rolling, so you can navigate tight spaces and crowded terminals with ease. The retractable handle extends to a comfortable height, minimizing strain on your arms and shoulders during long walks through the airport. This carry-on is a great choice for design-conscious travelers who value a touch of Parisian elegance alongside functionality. However, it's important to consider that the expandable compartment might not be the most suitable option for travelers who crave maximum organization within their carry-on. Number 5. Travelpro Maxlite 5. Travelpro returns to our list with a Maxlite 5, a carry-on that prioritizes lightweight construction without compromising on functionality. This suitcase is a featherweight champion, allowing you to pack more without dreading the baggage scale. The water-resistant polyester fabric is surprisingly durable, withstanding the rigors of travel while keeping your belongings safe from the elements. The Maxlite 5 doesn't disappoint when it comes to packing efficiency. The well-designed interior compartmentalizes chaos. One side features a zippered mesh divider that keeps clothes neatly separated, while the other boasts secure tie-down straps to prevent wardrobe malfunctions during your travels. A built-in garment sleeve lets you wrinkle-free transport your favorite outfit, ensuring you arrive looking polished and ready to explore. For the tech-savvy traveler, the Maxlite 5 offers a handy USB port integrated into the exterior. Simply connect a portable charger and you can keep your devices juiced up throughout your journey. Whether you're a business traveler glued to your laptop or an explorer documenting every adventure, the Maxlite 5 ensures you stay connected. This carry-on is a perfect choice for budget-conscious adventurers who prioritize lightweight construction and functional features. However, it's important to consider that the water-resistant fabric might not offer the same level of protection against heavy rain or spills compared to a hard shell case. Number 4. Briggs & Riley Baseline. Briggs & Riley is a brand synonymous with quality and durability, and the Baseline Essential 22-inch carry-on upholds that reputation. This no-nonsense carry-on is built to last, boasting a virtually indestructible ballistic nylon exterior that shrugs off scratches and wear and tear with ease. Unlike some hard-shell cases, the Baseline Essential offers a touch of flexibility, allowing it to absorb impact without succumbing to cracks. The packing experience with the Baseline Essential is a study in user-friendly design. Spacious compartments ensure you can fit everything you need for a weekend getaway or a longer exploration. The interior boasts a handy divider with organizational pockets, perfect for keeping smaller essentials like toiletries or travel documents within easy reach. Expandable compartments provide additional packing flexibility, accommodating last-minute souvenirs or unexpected outfit changes. Maneuvering through crowded airports is effortless with the Baseline Essential's smooth-rolling airline-grade wheels. They offer exceptional stability and multi-directional movement, so you can navigate tight spaces and bustling terminals with ease. The retractable handle extends to a comfortable height, minimizing strain on your arms and shoulders during long treks through the terminal. While the Baseline Essential prioritizes durability, it doesn't sacrifice functionality. A built-in TSA-approved lock keeps your belongings secure, while a handy SpeedPack compartment allows you to add a Briggs & Riley backpack on top for a streamlined travel system. This carry-on is a perfect choice for travelers who value rugged construction, smart organization, and a touch of classic style. Number 3. Away, the carry-on. Away has carved a niche for itself in the luggage landscape with its focus on sleek minimalism and innovative design. The carry-on lives up to the brand's reputation, offering a clean aesthetic with thoughtful features for the modern traveler. The polycarbonate shell is virtually indestructible, keeping your belongings safe from the inevitable bumps and bruises of travel. Inside, Away prioritizes organization. A hidden laundry compartment keeps dirty clothes separate from your clean essentials. A handy ejectable battery compartment lets you effortlessly charge your devices on the go. Though note, the battery itself needs to be purchased separately. The compression system with a built-in divider ensures your belongings stay wrinkle-free and neatly organized, even if you're packing for a longer trip. This carry-on is a champion for the tech-savvy traveler. A TSA-approved lock keeps your belongings secure, while a built-in hidden laundry bag keeps dirty clothes contained. The sleek exterior comes in a variety of vibrant colors, allowing you to express your unique style while navigating the world. However, it's important to consider that the carry-on falls on the heavier side compared to some competitors. If weight is a major concern, you might want to explore a lighter option. Number 2. Samsonite Freeform. For those who crave a touch of elegance alongside functionality, the Samsonite Freeform carry-on spinner is a compelling choice. This hard-shell beauty boasts a sleek, streamlined design that makes a statement wherever you roam. The polycarbonate shell is as tough as it is stylish, warding off scratches and keeping your belongings safe. Unlike some hard-shell cases, the Freeform retains a touch of flexibility, allowing it to absorb impact without cracking. The packing experience with the Freeform is a delight. Spacious compartments ensure you can fit everything you need for a weekend getaway or a longer exploration. The interior boasts a handy divider with zippered pockets, perfect for organizing smaller essentials like toiletries or travel documents. Compression straps keep everything neatly tucked in, even if you're a notorious overpacker. Maneuvering through crowded airports is a breeze with the Freeform's spinner wheels. They offer smooth multi-directional rolling, so you can navigate tight spaces with ease. The retractable handle extends to a comfortable height, minimizing strain on your arms and shoulders during long treks through the terminal. While the Freeform isn't the lightest carry-on on the market, its focus on durability and style makes it a solid choice for travelers who appreciate a touch of sophistication on the go. Number 1. Travelpro Platinum Elite 21. This powerhouse from Travelpro is a masterclass in functionality. Picture gliding through the terminal with effortless maneuverability thanks to its spinner wheels that seem to defy friction. The Platinum Elite boasts a remarkably lightweight construction, so you can pack more without dreading the baggage scale. But don't be fooled by its featherweight feel. This carry-on is engineered to endure the rigors of travel. The robust, scuff-resistant hard shell shields your belongings from bumps and jostles, while the self-repairing zipper keeps rogue items firmly contained. Travelpro truly understands the packing Tetris that often unfolds on trips. The meticulously designed interior compartmentalizes chaos. One side features a zippered mesh divider that keeps clothes neatly separated, while the other boasts secure tie-down straps to prevent wardrobe malfunctions in your suitcase. A built-in garment sleeve lets you wrinkle-free transport your favorite outfit, ensuring you arrive looking polished and ready to conquer your destination. This carry-on isn't all brawn though. It caters to the tech-savvy traveler with a handy USB port integrated into the exterior. Simply pop in a portable charger, and you can keep your devices juiced up throughout your journey. Whether you're a business traveler glued to your laptop or an explorer documenting every adventure, the Platinum Elite ensures you stay connected. There you have it, our top 6 best carry-on luggage of this year. Remember, the perfect carry-on is a personal choice. Hit that like button if this video helped you navigate the world of carry-on luggage, and leave a comment below letting us know which contender stole your travel heart. Safe travels, everyone!